Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make e-invoices without Tally. Many businesses seek efficient ways to manage their invoicing without relying on specific accounting software. We will explore several straightforward methods, ensuring your business remains compliant and organized. This guide will help you navigate the process, providing clear steps and practical advice for seamless e-invoice generation, saving you time and effort. One of the most direct ways to create e-invoices is by utilizing government-provided portals. These platforms are designed for direct compliance and ease of use. You simply register your business, enter the required invoice details, and the system generates an invoice reference number. This method is often free and ensures you meet all regulatory standards, making it a reliable option for many small to medium-sized enterprises. Beyond government portals, numerous third-party software solutions offer robust e-invoicing capabilities. These tools often provide advanced features like automation, bulk invoice generation, and detailed reporting. Many also offer application programming interface integration, allowing seamless connection with your current business systems. When selecting a solution, always verify its compliance with local e-invoicing regulations to ensure smooth operations. Accurate data entry is paramount for successful e-invoicing. Every e-invoice requires specific information, such as the goods and services tax identification numbers for both the supplier and recipient. You must also clearly detail each item, including its quantity, unit price, and applicable tax rates. Double-checking all these fields before generating the invoice reference number will prevent rejections and ensure compliance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.